name's Mark Miller and I work at Chevron, and my current role is in the IT group. I'm what's known as an enterprise architect. I graduated in 1984, long time ago. But what I remember from that was we had a great opportunity at Cal State Hayward. Back then it was Cal State Hayward. Hayward has always been known as more of a practical education rather than a theoretical education, or not so much theoretical education. And that really served us well, because all of the people that I went to school with in the business department with the IT major, they all ended up going to jobs in the Bay Area, and I'm still working with many of those people today. In fact, my manager was with me at Cal State Hayward when I was there. So I think there's no substitute for actual real-life experience on the job, but from a skills perspective, I think I was well trained. One of the things that I think is most important, for instance, is communication skills, written and oral communication skills. And we had a lot of opportunities at Cal State Hayward to do that, practice giving speeches and writing a lot of things, and so that was very important. I think the other thing is the instructors that I worked with, they had ties to the business world, and not only did that help us get jobs coming out of the school, but they were really good about prepping us what to expect and that type of thing. I had a teacher who has passed away. His name is Ken Lebeco. Ken Lebeco ran part of the programming group, programming classes at Cal State Hayward. He had very strong ties to the businesses in the Bay Area, and I ended up working for Ken Lebeco at Cal State Hayward, and he was able to help me then land a job right out of college that has since transpired into this one. The location of Cal State East Bay is just about ideal. It is literally in the middle of some of the greatest innovation that happens in the entire world. The fact that you can go to college there, that the college can feed this innovation zone, as I call it, is an unparalleled opportunity, I think. And so I think if I were going to tell students what's the #1 reason why you should go to Cal State East Bay, it's because of its location in this great innovation zone. I think the skills that are important to students today are very much the same as the skills that were important when I graduated in the 80s. Sure, you need the skills associated with whatever major you are involved with, business or computer programming or whatever it is. But what I found most important are the soft skills. So communication, written and oral communication. Even though I'm a technology manager, I spend most of my time trying to sell people on ideas and concepts, and being able to speak well in public and being able to write down your thoughts cohesively, and good grammar and all that are very important. And then getting along well with others. The more you can experience team type projects in college, the more like real life that's going to be. That is what we do. We work in teams to get work done, to get projects accomplished. So it's the soft skills that I think are very important, and college is a great opportunity for developing those skills. My advice for business students at Cal State East Bay is do good in school, but you've got to do the extras. You really do have to differentiate yourself from the rest of the students to be noticed. Make connections with companies in the area, such as Chevron and the other ones. You may be surprised where you will meet these people. They may be your parents' friends and neighbors. They may be at your health club or whatever. But try to make connections, because that's what's going to get your foot in the door. And pay attention to a well-rounded education. Don't just focus on the technology classes or whatever that you need to get your major. You need to be well-rounded to be successful in business these days.